This little guy wants my McDonald's, but I'm not going to give it to him because it's my McDonald's and it'll make him sick. I feel bad. Maybe we'll let him in. See if I open up the door. He's been sitting here for like 10 minutes. Another bird comes in. See this guy coming in? But he doesn't seem to want to fly up. I don't know why this one wants to. I want to see. Maybe these two will mate right in front of us. You see the little guy hopping down there? Alright. Let's see if this bird wants to come in my car. Hi, birdie. Is that Mom teaching you how to fly? Yeah, she doesn't like me putting my finger out, I don't think. I think that is Mom. Okay. You're pretty cautious. You're not very cautious, I mean. Alright. Cool. That was fun.